Hello internet. It's Friday, which is my favorite, especially when I finish work. So today I'm with my bicycle going back home. There is a whole lot of traffic at the moment. That's located between, I'm going towards Harrow as usual. So I just passed Hayes, so from Hayes towards Harrow. We'll be going through White Hart roundabout. And I will talk you through how to actually safely go with a bicycle around London. I mean, I will talk you through how to do it with an e-bike. Now I know I'm at the bus lane at the moment, so wait, I'll let the bus go a little bit further. I'm at a bus only lane, so at the moment I know nobody else is going to be through here, so it's better to just stay behind the bus. Because I know it's gonna be going all the way to the next bus stop. At which point I will overtake it. And yeah, it's going a little bit slower, but that's okay. Oh, there is a lorry. Okay. No, the lorry is not checking the mirrors, so the bus cannot go through. And the Audi. Okay. No, it's not a bus. It's not a. It's a lorry, but it's the junk lorry. So when you're driving a bicycle in live traffic, always plan ahead, always look forward as far ahead as possible. Look for the traffic lights. If they change to green and you are not at the very front, slow down or even stop and let the cars depart so you can be safe. Otherwise, like that, when they start moving, it's very dangerous. You can see this guy has indicator, so if he has spot, he will move to the right. So make sure if the guys on the right start moving, you have to stop, because he will go there if he doesn't check his mirror. And if you're there, he will go through you. Like with me, I just go, because a bicycle. There was a motorcycle behind me, but that motorcycle is much wider than my bicycle. My bicycle is very, very slim, very narrow, so I can easily squeeze through anywhere. On these places, I'll be careful as well. And that's what you have sometimes. Road raging. it's a big problem, but always plan ahead. Now check for indicators. If anyone is turning left, go slowly. Have a nice look, because if they turn left without checking their mirrors, well, you're having a bad day. So always at such places, you're in a bus lane, that's your own lane, you have the right of the way, they cannot cross it if it's not safe, but they don't check their mirrors and they turn, so that's very dangerous, so have that always in mind. Same goes for the cycle lane. Even in the cycle lanes, they don't check their mirrors. It's safe to assume that this lorry is gonna go left, because that's how they go through here without indicator. They don't use indicator, but that's okay. Okay, this car is departing, so slow, check behind you and proceed. Here the hang up is there, going down there. So it's actually stuck traffic everywhere. Do I wanna squeeze? No. Can I squeeze? Yep, probably. But it's not very safe. Also on these bends, when it's bending the road, don't try to squeeze through live traffic, because somebody is gonna watch their phone, or they're gonna move their hands in a unpredictable way, and you'll be squashed. Always check behind your shoulder when you're making turns. Okay, traffic is moving, so stop here. Wait for them, pick a lane and continue. They are stopping again, so we'll squeeze. They're moving, but there is keep clear, so the other two cars will probably be slow. Traffic is slowing further ahead, so I can proceed slowly and carefully. This car is like, it doesn't know where its lane is, that's okay. Just slowing carefully. And over here you can just go here if there is no incoming traffic. You can see the police is there as well. So don't mind the police, they don't like bicycles squeezing around, and they may have a chat with you. But for now, you just proceed slowly and carefully. So cars are starting to move. You go slower. Okay, this guy's stopping, I don't know why. That's okay. Over here, be careful, always. There is no buses at the bus stop in the front, so this lane is just gonna continue. Oh, it's okay. South Hall. Okay, it's getting red for the pedestrians, so that means all the traffic is going to stop, which means you can start squeezing. And be very careful, don't hit their mirrors. It's not nice to hit their mirrors. I have seen it many times. Bicycles, they will bump into the mirrors, or motorcycles don't bump into people's mirrors. In general, in London is very rainy. Not London, the whole UK. There is a lot of rain. And this here is a 20-mile zone. But if you see, we're not doing 20. We're doing 30. Because everybody else is doing 30 here. That's how it is. It says 20, but we do 30. Because everybody else is doing 30. And even the buses, which is even the buses like to do 30 here, which is very funny when I see the bus drivers going 30. But as a bus driver, nobody actually will stop you if you're speeding. There is like they have trackers, speed trackers, and there is GPS as well, and they know that the drivers are speeding. They know exactly where the drivers are speeding. So on one of the companies where I was driving, in some area, in one of the areas, for the 3 months they had over 2,000 speed violations from bus drivers. So yeah, bus drivers, they do speed, but nobody is stopping the buses for speeding. So does the police. I have seen as well police, like I have learned quite a few tricks from driving behind police cars and what they do. Like I learned from them. That was back when I was still a new driver. Yeah, the Prius don't check their mirrors. That's okay. You have one life. Okay, hell. Come on, guys. It's not difficult to check your mirror. But yeah, the drivers in London, you have to take care and have a very good forward planning. Otherwise you'll get hurt by them. They don't check their mirrors and they have disregard for cyclists. That's the main reason why I have that bicycle. And I used to have a normal bicycle, but the problem was that's a 30 road here, and that 30 road, you guessed it, when you go slow here, it's like uphill, there is wind, so you cannot go fast. You're going 10-15 miles maybe on a windy day. So the cars are double your speed, so everybody's gonna overtake you. And some of them, they will go really close to you, which is very dangerous. So I decided, you know, guys, because you have complete disregard about safety, I will just get the e-bike. And we're going 32. but this guy overtakes with 40. So even if you go with the speed limit with your bicycle, they will exceed the speed limit and they will overtake you. But even the guys that exceed the speed limit to overtake you, even they're far fewer if you're going with the speed limit than if you're having a normal bicycle. So yes, electric bicycles, they're much more faster, and you're not supposed to go on the pavement with them. With any bicycle, you're not supposed to go on the pavement, because people, they're just walking there. That's the last place left for people to walk, that pavement. And if you go with your bicycle on that pavement, then the people have nowhere else to walk. That's it. That's their last place where they are safe to walk. So don't go with your bicycles on the pavement. It's against the traffic code, and it's not safe for the pedestrians as well. Always check behind your shoulder before you change your lane. Or change your position in general, because with a bicycle there is pedestrians, so slow down. But with the bicycle you're not in the middle. Well, the middle of the road is the safest place. And the traffic code is very specific. If you don't feel safe driving a meter or a meter and a half away from the curb, you can take the whole road if you don't feel safe. So you guys can wait. There is traffic lights behind us. When those traffic lights, the one that we passed, when they go red, there won't be any traffic here, so they can pull safely. Anyway guys, have a nice weekend and stay safe. I'm out.